So today is 24th, I believe, and correct, about 9:26 a.m. Houston time, Central American time, and we are trying to see yesterday's thing. Alhamdulillah, what we actually did. We had the short target here. You can all see your signals that was given. I just deleted it because I was trying to see the setup. We did a shot here, and then we gave the signal till here. Alhamdulillah, not only it went there from falling from there, but it also actually fell quite deep. So this was a success. We have given the signal confirmation completed. Now we are trying to see, because we try to see what kind of setup it is, and again we can be wrong. So what we are trying to see here is just to explain, there are different trend lines we are trying to form, right? One, two, three, trend within trend. So if this might fall to this point. Because on one instance it's giving there is a double top being formed here, and if it could retrace back, the trend could retrace back here, let's say, because this is the break of trend line of the first one. So it looks like it's a bull run. If it goes back, it can go back to here. If it doesn't go back, it can fall to here. So what are the possible suggested options? One is we can think long from here, and we see situation looks like, I was trying to analyze on a 2 degree 3 degree angle. This could be, and we are taking a shot from the last wave. So we are thinking to drive the trend on this side. If we do this, this is a good risk reward ratio. And we feel this risk reward ratio could be this, or maybe if we want to do this, this would lower it up. But it's a big trend line. If it's because you see the size of trend line, this looks like an institutional buying, right? And it's a 30-minute candle. It could be a fake out. If it's a fake out, then it could be a problem. It can reverse back on us. So slightly we take till here. It's a very good trend if it follows it. But if it doesn't follow and the trend goes in the opposite direction, maybe it bounces here and then falls back down, then this could be something to watch from here. So let it follow, let it go through here, and if it follows and you feel there is a big candle being formed here, then what you do is you take the reverse order and then you follow it down to here. Okay, and then you will get another trade. So this is one is to through risk reward ratio. So we are giving two trade signals. One right now, if you want to buy till here. It can go up till that point, but you're not sure that it bounces back or not, because geometry is saying it has broken one trend, but the second one is waiting to be touched. And if we see on a bigger time frame what's going on in euro Australian dollar is this trend was kind of broken, and was there a trend before it? Maybe this is the trend, the bigger level trend, and a 4 minute candle, and we are trying to take the ray. So this is normally it's called Kettler channel. Kettler channel is the WD van, and geometry theorems, but we don't want to get into that advance. But right now, what you can see is it has already bounced, you know, and if it has bounced, probably it's a two-way thing, if it's bounced on a bigger level, let's say one bounce, two bounce. This bounce could follow through this line. So maybe this can go back down, okay, to complete the second bounce on a bigger trend line. Or, like we said, it can go back up, slightly come down, but it will come down. When it comes down straight away or not, that's something. Now, if we go on a smaller trend, we see bigger trend line has to bounce back down, right? Now, if we try to, from where we were trying to take the trend here, now this gives you a correct picture sometimes, right? Now, our trend line was here, right? This was on a smaller time frame. 30-minute is still a big time frame, but not as big as 4 hour. So you see, this looks like it's already bounced here, on the second trend line. So see how the perception changes. You need to follow confidence level. Sometimes, if there is no confidence level, you can stick out of trend. But you see, this is looks like it has followed. If this is the trend line, it's one bounce, then it's second bounce, and this is the trend line it is following currently. Looks like so. You're trying to trick stop till here, 1.77182, and you're trying to follow it. I think we should now take a we can now take a trend, at least a small position where we are doing long with not exactly here but the last break of structure here, and we can follow at least till here. It's a 1.17 risk reward. If you feel it's following, boom, then go high. It could be 1.174. So we'll try to take long here, okay? Hopefully, again, I may be wrong. So do your own homework, but position size well, so you still stay in the game, okay? Don't over position size just because uh, I have said it so, or you feel that you want to make money quickly. Because when you lose money and when it's over position, we have seen those videos how you lose control, right? The thing is, there are double structures formed on both the sides. This is very confusing trade, to be honest. But no harm in trying something, because we have taken the whole geometry thing in mind, what's going on. So I hope this helps you. A small 1:2 risk reward ratio could help, and I will let it be like that so we know where we are entering. And then see you tomorrow. Bye.